What up great people, it's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today I'll be showing you how to do the single foot cross. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated while you work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. Because this is a footwork video, most of the time you'll be seeing my foot doing the action. So I'll be getting up and squatting down to talk to you from time to time, and this footwork is a very nice footwork, and it's one of the variations of the boxer step footwork. So I advise you to learn the boxer step before practicing this footwork, because it's just a variation of the boxer step footwork, like I've said earlier. So to do this footwork right, I'll show you without the rope, then I'll show you with the rope so you can better understand this move and nail it like the pro you are. So the first thing you do to nail this footwork is actually practicing without the rope. So you just have to jump like from your boxer step, then you cross with one foot and come back, cross with another foot and come back. So it's something like this. 1, 2. So you just cross with one leg while you jump. Let me show you from another view for better understanding. So from this position, right, you go boxer step, then you cross. Only one leg is crossing to the other side, and it's not as if it's crossing all over. You might just cross to the diagonal side with your foot, your toe actually crossing to tap on the floor before returning back to the normal position. So that's what you simply do with this move. Now after practicing that a lot and you're comfortable with it, then you can incorporate your rope. So I advise you to, as much as possible, start slowly to understand this, because it can be very confusing when you're learning it for the first time. So let me show you with the rope and we'll continue from our stop. So from this position, let me give you frontal view first. I'll go boxer step, then I'll start crossing slowly. Let me show you side view, another side view, I can also show you behind so you understand what's going on with this foot. So it's as simple as that. So if you apply these few tips I've just given in this video, learning your boxer skip, then practicing the footwork before incorporating your rope, gradually start it slow and steady, you know this move and you can increase your speed with time. So we'll be incorporating this footwork to our workout, and if you want to have fun while you work out and benefit from your body, you should stay tuned to this channel for a fun-filled workout that will be coming up soon. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments what you feel we should work on, or if you like this footwork and you'll be incorporating it to your workout soon. And subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our lovely content. Until next time guys, remain beautiful and some be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself guys. Peace.